check who's if we have another civil engineer to join.
Okay. Overhead power or under any overhead power? No, right? No overhead power, nothing. Only underground services. We are saying that for underground services, you are going to do the underground service detection before doing the excavation work, and this is standard practice. ADNOC will never allow to do the excavation without permit and approved TRA. Water table. I think you are not going to do the deep excavation like 3 meter, 4 meter. So water table is not a major concern here. No deep excavation. Excavation is anticipated as a part of project. Water table is not a work. Working in confined space, I think there is no confined space entry, right? Because you are going to install this one, no confined space entry.
Yes.
Welfare, we are going to have the same thing. Hygiene, sitting, food, smoking, shared facilities, site establishment, temporary facility to be arranged by EPC contractor as per the maximum POB. This will be evaluated during the advanced stage of excavation. And ADNOC, regular audit. The regular audit will be conducted by ADNOC. Okay. Going for laydown area. So laydown area will be definitely there, and this facility will be, approved by the company, because during construction of the individual well for installing the Coriolis meter, you may need some vehicle to be parked outside, and some small laydown area will be there. So that has to be approved by the company, and that is standard practice. And since this is not a major job, so I don't have major concern in terms of layout and all these things. Material storage. So Santosh, these are the Coriolis meter or sensitivity meter, right? So